Hello everyone and welcome to my channel and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how I did those little cute autumn cards, and for that I did use this Micron ink pen 03, my own handmade watercolors, and for the colors I used green, yellow, orange, lighter brown and a darker brown. For the brushes I used only this Raphael number 8 round brush. Paper I used Canson Graduate A4 size paper, which I divided into 4 parts for 4 cards. It's a little bit textured paper. So without further ado, let's get started. First, I will pick up a little bit of the green and mix it with just a tiny bit of the yellow to make it a little bit more lighter, a little bit more yellowish. And just start with my first circle. Just gonna paint in the circle, rinse my brush, lift a little bit more of the green this time. Again, rinse my brush and then just move that paint around. For the second, I'm gonna use yellow and just paint in the second tree, same way. Just adding a bit of the yellow and then rinsing my brush and just softening, moving that paint. I do want to keep the left side a little bit lighter. And for the third one, I'm going to use some lighter orange and paint in, this time a little bit triangle with rounded circles. Then I'm going to pick up some lighter brown, and on the right side, I'm going to paint it with brown. Splatter some clean water just to add a little bit of the texture and then dry it. Now that it's dry, I'm going to use my ink and just draw in the tree shapes. And if you do like this video, or if you prefer real-time tutorials, just step-in-step in-depth tutorials, I do have a Patreon page where I have all sorts of videos for beginners and also advanced painters, where you can follow everything in steps in real time. So if you would like it, you can check it out. It's a link in the description box. Just at the bottom, adding some ground, and then I'm gonna write in the text saying hello autumn. These are fall cards after all. Some splatters with green, a little bit of the splatters also with yellow, not too much, just a tiny bit, maybe some leaf falling off, and some with mix of lighter brown and orangey red. And with that, we're done with the first card. So moving on to the second one. This one I'm gonna start with the inking. So I'm gonna draw in somewhat a C shape and then add a couple of blooms, berries, whatever you like to make it, making a little bit larger and a little bit smaller, circles and dots. And then I'm gonna draw in 2 mushrooms, one little bit larger one smaller one. Add a bit more of those berries, and then just gonna also draw a couple of leaves. With green, I'm gonna paint a couple of circles, just the tiny circles using the tip of my brush. Then some circles with yellow, you can vary in their size. Paint a little bit smaller, a little bit larger one, and also a few with this orangey red. Adding a bit of the brown, also lighter, to that mix. I'm gonna paint the mushrooms also in same color, and then gonna pick up some darker brown, and on the right side of my mushrooms add that darker brown. just drop in a bit of the color like that. Rinse my brush, and this is quite dry already, so I'm gonna just soften that edge. To the berries I'm also gonna add a bit of the red. Just tap in with the tip of my brush, and to the leaves, yellow, green. Not all of them, but some of them. I'm gonna dry that fully, and now that it's dry I'm gonna finish it off with the inking just around the circles I did. I'm gonna draw a bit of the, again, circles with ink, and then also to some I'm just gonna add the stems, connect them to that wreath. A few embellishments to the mushrooms, some dots, and just a few more details here and there. This is just very optional. Again, I'm gonna write in the text this time, welcome September. You can write in any text you like. This is completely optional. You can just adjust it to what you need these cards for. Couple of more splatters with green, with yellow, and then with the orange, and we're done. So it's simple as that, quick and simple. So I do have these cardboards for the cards that I just purchased, finished off, and I'm gonna glue my cards on top of them, put it in an envelope and use it. And that's it, we're done. So guys, thank you so much for joining me today, for doing this with me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget, I do have a Patreon with real-time tutorials, in depth. You can check it out. And also, if you haven't still, please do subscribe to my channel. Here you can also find lots of tutorials for beginners and advanced painters. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope I'll see you next time. Bye!